Hi everyone. I want to give some expectations or explanation of how we'll be using the discussion tool in our class this semester. There are two different discussion series. Number one is content, number two is research paper. Let me take a little bit closer look here at that first one, content discussion series. We'll have a total of 9 this semester, spread out throughout the semester. Each one is worth 20 points. That's 180 total points, or 18% of your final grade. You'll never have more than one of these content discussions each week. The point is to interact with your fellow students around some sort of content point, something that you've seen in the textbook, you'll see it again in the learning objectives, something that I want to give you more time to experience and learn. Sometimes it'll be a debate format, sometimes it's really open discussion, sometimes it's a demonstration. So I vary the way you'll be carrying out the prompt to try and keep things interesting for all of us, but there are 9 of these content discussions over the semester. I want you to make your first point post by Tuesday night. The reason for that is that then other people coming in after that will have some material to work with. It's always nice to have a few posts already there when you show up so that you can respond to theirs, post your original post as well. So in addition to that first post by Tuesday night, you need 2 additional posts on 2 different days during the semester in order to earn full points. This gives you the chance to interact with other people and have an ongoing conversation to further your understanding of the material. You want to dedicate about 20 minutes each time you go in to do these posts. So don't think I'm going to do this in 5 minutes and be done. Think I'm going to set 20 minutes. I'll read what's been going on. I'll choose where I want to interact with other people. I'm going to make a thoughtful post here and kind of, again, further the conversation. To see some tips for success, I have a tip sheet as well as the whole grading rubric in week 1's content. So look there for more detail about how to earn full points. You're dedicating 20 minutes each time you go in and work on the discussion, this content discussion. That means about 60 minutes total time each week. You'll see me in a variety of places. Sometimes I'll be interacting with students very closely. Sometimes I'll be pinning at the start of the discussion some post for everyone to see. Sometimes I'll put in a video or a photo to clarify or move forward again the discussion, but there will be different ways that you might see me. That's the content discussion series. Secondly, we have this research paper discussion series, and there are a total of 10 this semester. Starts the very first week. There are 10 of these, 100 points total, 10% of your final grade. The benefit here is that by the time you do all 10 of these, your research paper should be almost fully developed, really ready to go. And once you make that final submission to Dropbox, that's another potential 100 points for your paper. So another 10% of your grade, 20% total here. Expect one for each of the first 10 weeks of the semester. Read the prompts carefully because sometimes you need to respond to fellow students and sometimes you do not. Posting early again by Tuesday night is a really good idea because it gives you an opportunity over the week to evolve your thoughts on your research paper, to look at what other people have posted, develop your own. Usually what I do is about midweek, Tuesday, Wednesday, I will put up a screencast that uses the posts that I have seen already and give feedback around the posts. So I will bring those up, someone's research paper, what it looks like so far, and point out what strengths are, where the person may need to do a correction. And if your research paper is in there, then you'll get to see the feedback right there on the screencast, which is a real plus for students. You're going to be dedicating about 20 to 60 minutes to this series of discussions per week. I will tell you within each week's agenda how much you need to expect for that particular week. Okay, good luck on all of your discussions.